Welcome to the In English Coffee Office. Today is Thursday, February 5. And like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Good morning, Alex. How are you today?
Hi, David. I am fine, thank you. Just a little tired. I need this coffee.
Me too. I am very sleepy this morning. The traffic was terrible.
I understand. The traffic is always bad in the morning. Is the coffee machine working?
Yes, it is working, but it is very slow today. Look at it.
Oh, you are right. It is very slow. We have to wait.
So, Alex, are you busy today?
Yes, I am very busy. I have a big meeting with the team at 10 o'clock. And you?
I am busy too. I have to call 5 clients before lunch. Sales are hard this month.
I am sure you can do it. You are a good salesman, David.
Thanks, Alex. I try my best. By the way, did you read the news this week?
I read a little bit. I like to read the news on my tablet in the morning. Why?
I saw something interesting in the USA today. It was about shipping in boxes.
Oh, really? I think I know that news. Is it about the plastic ban?
Yes, that is the one. The article says there is a new global treaty.
That is right. I read it on February 1. It says 50 countries want to ban single-use plastics in shipping.
Yes. They want to stop using plastic in boxes and packages by 2028. That is very soon.
It is very soon. The article says it is good for the ocean. We have too much plastic waste.
I agree it is good for the planet, but I am worried about the price.
The price? What do you mean?
Well, the article says shipping costs will go up. If companies cannot use plastic, they must use paper or other things.
And paper is more expensive than plastic?
Exactly. If shipping is expensive, the products will be expensive too. My clients will not be happy.
I understand your point. Business is always about money. But think about the fish, David.
I like fish, but I also like cheap shipping. It is a difficult situation.
It is controversial. The article says many companies are angry. They say 2 years is not enough time to change.
I agree with the companies. 2028 is very close. We need more time.
Maybe. But we have to start someday. The pollution is a big problem now.
You are right, Alex. You always think about the environment.
I try to be responsible. Speaking of the environment and technology, did you see the news in the Washington Post?
Which one? I read the Washington Post sometimes, but I missed it this week.
It was published on February 2. It is about drones.
Oh, I love drones. They are cool. What is the news?
The headline is dedicated drone lanes approved for major cities.
Really? Drone lanes? Like a highway in the sky?
Yes, exactly. The article says the government approved special paths for delivery drones.
That sounds amazing. So I can order a pizza and a drone brings it to my window.
Yes, that is the idea. They want to start in big cities like New York and Chicago first.
That is great for business. Fast delivery is important.
It is fast, yes. But the article talks about the problems too.
What problems? It sounds perfect.
The noise, David. Imagine 100 drones flying outside your office window.
Oh, I did not think about that. Is it very loud?
The article says residents are very worried. They think it will be like a swarm of bees all day. Bees, z.
That is annoying. I do not like loud noises when I am working.
Also, people are worried about privacy. The drones have cameras.
That is true. I do not want a drone looking into my house.
Exactly. The Washington Post says there are many protests. People want quiet skies.
But think about the traffic, Alex. If the drones carry the packages, there are fewer trucks on the street.
That is a good point. Fewer trucks mean less traffic and less pollution on the ground.
See, it is a trade-off. Noise in the sky or traffic on the street.
You are practical, David. You always see the benefit.
I am a sales guy. I want solutions, but I understand the noise problem.
It is a big change for the cities. We will see what happens in the next 2 years.
Yes, maybe I will buy some earplugs for the office.
That is a funny idea. You might need them.
Hey, changing the subject, do you like music concerts?
I love concerts. Why do you ask?
I saw a very strange article in Newsday yesterday. It was February 4.
Oh, I think I missed that one. What is it about?
The headline is Top Artists Announce VR-Only World Tours.
VR only? You mean virtual reality?
Yes, the article says many famous pop stars are stopping real tours.
Why are they doing that?
2 reasons. First, it is cheaper. Second, it is better for the climate. No big planes, no trucks.
That makes sense. Touring is very expensive and uses a lot of energy.
But, Alex, it is virtual reality. You put on a headset in your living room.
So you do not go to a stadium? You stay home?
Yes. You pay for a ticket, you wear the glasses, and you see the concert digitally.
That sounds different. Is it popular?
The article says, the tickets are selling very fast. Young people like it.
It is convenient. You do not have to travel. You do not have to stand in line.
But the feeling is not the same. I want to be with people. I want to scream and dance.
I understand. A concert is a social event. It is about the energy of the crowd.
Exactly. If I am alone in my house, it is just a video game. It is not a concert.
The article probably mentions that fans are divided.
Yes, some fans are happy because tickets are cheap. Other fans are angry. They want to see the real person.
I think I agree with you, David. I like to see the artist with my own eyes.
Me too. Technology is good, but sometimes real life is better.
That is very deep, David. Real life is better.
I have my moments, but seriously, 2026 is a crazy year. Plastic bans, drone highways, and fake concerts.
It is a very fast world. Things change every week.
That is why we need coffee, to stay awake for the changes.
You are right. Oh, look. The coffee is finally ready.
Great, I need this. Sound of coffee pouring.
It smells good.
Yes, nothing beats a real cup of coffee. Virtual coffee is not for me.
I agree. Well, David, I have to go. My meeting starts in 10 minutes.
Okay, Alex, good luck with your meeting.
Thank you. Good luck with your 5 calls. I hope you sell a lot today.
I hope so too. Have a good day, Alex.
See you later, David. Bye.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.